Hello there! Today I'm gonna replace the battery on this OnePlus Nord phone since recently it lasts for only half a day, or sometimes even less than that. So, I purchased a new battery and a new seal. What I've seen online is that this phone opens from the back, unlike the last phone I repaired on this channel, which was an iPhone and it opened from the front. So I'm gonna apply some heat on the back and hopefully the glue will loosen up a bit. Finally. Now that we have the phone open, it's time to unscrew all the screws from the top side. Disconnect the battery, and I think now we should be able to pull this up. I don't think that's gonna happen, so I'm gonna use some IPA on this. That was easier. So this is the old battery, and I can see it's a bit puffed up, but I'm not sure, it could also be from the way I pulled it up. It doesn't really matter, this phone needed a replacement battery anyway, I just have to be careful with it now. I already checked the new battery and that already has the sticky film applied to it, so that's why I pulled this one out. What I usually like to do is first connect the battery and then stick it in place. Now I just need to make sure that the battery is properly adhered to the phone. Now it's time to clean the old glue from both the frame and the backside. Let's see if I got rid of all the glue. I can still see some residue on the exterior, on the shiny metal frame. Let me just get rid of that. This phone is pretty scratched up, but it is what it is. Now with the new battery installed and the old glue cleaned up, I can attach the new seal. I wonder if this would be easier to apply to the back instead of applying it to the frame. Okay, I guess I'll go with the back. I'm not sure if this is the way it's supposed to go, but it looks decent to me. Now let's put the cover back in place. First I'll blow some air to get rid of any dust particles. I think this piece has some clips to snap in first. Yeah, that's better. I honestly lost track on where each screw goes, but luckily for me, all the screws seem to be the same size. I just remembered that I forgot to test if the phone works. I can also see that I scratched the screen protector, but that can be easily fixed. I do want to test the screen, the cameras and the charging. Hopefully these still work. Oh, I think it's not taking any charge. Oh, never mind, it charges. I can see the charging symbol. Let me try this again. Okay, so yeah, it does charge. I'll dust it one more time. Okay. And that's pretty much it. The phone should last longer now. Hopefully the battery is a good one. I'm not exactly sure since I bought it on a random website, but let's be positive about it. I'll make sure to link the website that I purchased this battery down in the description. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!